Hello guys, so after the completion of the apoptosis, let's move on to the next topic or the next type of the cell death, that is necroptosis. Necroptosis. As we discussed earlier that necroptosis is the combination of necrosis plus apoptosis. Here necrosis is related with the morphology, whereas apoptosis, as we know that apoptosis is nothing but it is a programmed cell death. But in case of the necroptosis, note that in apoptosis it is caspase independent. The proper apoptosis is caspase dependent, but in case of the necroptosis it is caspase independent. As like the necrosis, necroptosis is also related with the inflammation, or we can say it is inflammation positive. And as compared to apoptosis, necroptosis is also physiological and the pathological. It is physiological as well as the pathological. In physiological, can give example of the mammalian growth plate formation, and in case of the pathology we have many examples such as steatohepatitis or the acute pancreatitis or the deep perfusion injury. So this was the short overview about the necroptosis. Now let's move on to the mechanism of the necroptosis. So the mechanism of the necroptosis, so remember, this is the cell which has TNF receptor, and this is the cell which is this is the extracellular tumor necrosis factor, it is TNF. The model of the TNF and the TNF receptor is very common in case of the necroptosis. So the litigation between the TNF and the TNF receptor leads to the formation of the multiprotein complex, that is RIPK1, RIPK3 and procaspase 8. So what is RIPK1 and RIPK3? RIPK1 and RIPK3 is nothing but, write it down, RIPK is nothing but it is receptor interacting protein kinase. Receptor interacting protein kinase is RIPK. So the formation of the RIPK1 RIPK3 procaspase 8 complex will not let procaspase 8 to get converted into the caspase 8. As we know that if it is converted into the caspase 8, so there will be the apoptosis, but we want here necroptosis. So what will this complex do? So this complex will leads to the increase in the free radical formation, and it will decrease the ATP. So we can say an increment in the free radical and decrease in the ATP leads to the cell death. So quick recap about the necroptosis. Necroptosis is nothing but it is the combination of the necrosis and the apoptosis. Necrosis is morphological and apoptosis is a programmed cell death, which is the caspase independent. Necroptosis is inflammation positive. As like apoptosis, it is also physiological and the pathological. As physiological, we have mammalian growth plate formation, and in case of the pathology, it is steatohepatitis or the acute pancreatitis or the reperfusion injury. And this was the quick mechanism of formation of the receptor interacting protein kinase, which leads to increase in the free radical and decrease in the ATP, leads to the cell death. Note that in case of the necroptosis also work as backup mechanism for certain host against the certain virus, that is, for example, cytomegalovirus. So note this point: necroptosis works as the backup mechanism for the host in case of the certain virus, for example cytomegalovirus, because they encode the caspase inhibitors. Now let's move on to the next type of the cell death, that is pyroptosis. As from the meaning pyroptosis, we can say pyro is nothing but it is something related with the fever. It has very easy mechanism. Consider this is a bacterial cell and this is the normal cell. So whenever bacterial cell infects the normal cell, there will be the formation of inflammasome. What is inflammasome? The bacterial cell will interact with the node receptor. This is node receptor, which is a kind of immune receptor present inside the cell. Note this point: node receptor is always intracellular. It is never extracellular. Remember, it is always intracellular. So the complex between the bacterial cell and the node receptor will leads to the formation of the inflammasome. So it will leads to the activation of the inflammasome, which further activate the caspase 1 and 11, which particularly lead to the cell death. But before leading to the cell death, caspase 1 will activate IL-1, which leads to the fever. IL-1 is nothing but it is interleukin 1. Before leading to the cell death, caspase 1 will activate the interleukin 1. So let's have a quick recap about the pyroptosis. So pyroptosis is nothing but pyro means fever. Whenever bacterial cell gets infected to the normal cell, so there is the formation of the inflammasome. Whenever bacterial cell forms the complex with the node receptor, that is immune receptor, it will lead to the activation of the inflammasome, which further activates caspase 1 and 11, which leads to the cell death. Before leading to the cell death, it will activate interleukin 1, which will symptomized as a fever. And last one, we discussed that a new topic, that is anoikis. Remember, anoikis is nothing but it is a type of the apoptosis. It is also a type of the apoptosis. Here the cell leads to the cell death because of the, note this point, because of the loss of natural environment. As we know that each and every cell has its particular requirement under which circumstances the cell can grow. If that circumstances is not proper, so the cell can lead to the cell death. So it is one kind of the cell death, that is anarchis, which is a subtype of the apoptosis. Now let's have a quick recap about the necroptosis with a pictorial representation. So here we can see TNF, that is tumor necrosis factor, which form the complex with TNF R1, and the litigation of TNF and the TNF R1 leads to the formation of the RIPK1 and RIPK3 procaspase 8 complex, which is phosphorylated, and then the MLK1 comes into the action. MLK1 is nothing but it is a cytoplasmic protein. Remember, MLK1 is nothing but it is the cytoplasmic protein. So the phosphorus from the receptor interacting protein will combine with the MLKL, which is cytoplasmic protein, which leads to the plasma membrane disruption, which particularly leads to the cell death, which is by the necroptosis, and which is inflammation positive, and there will be the tissue damage because of the plasma membrane disruption. So this was the quick review about the necroptosis and the pyroptosis, and the new one, that is Robin 10's update, that is anarchis.